Is that your stocking? What'd you get? Are those apple bites? Yeah? What else? Where are you going? Come back and open your stocking. Come and get it. Open it up. Need help? Look.
Oh, Matthew, there's a present.
There's more stuff. Look. Come and get it. Sit down. Look. There's this. Wanna open it?
Yeah?
Yeah?
Wow.
Okay.
What is it? Oh, those are mine, sir.
Matthew. Come here.
Teddy Betty.
I'm gonna open your present.
Yes, sir. Here. Take this off. Take the paper off. Take the paper off there. I'll trade you. Give me these. Take the paper off.
You know how to rip it open.
Open
What's
it.
in there, Matthew?
Open sesame.
Rip it open. Sit down. Sit down. Come on, sit down.
Open this one.
Yay.
Thank you.
Pick it up.
Thank you very much, sir.
Here. Look.
What is it?
No enthusiasm, huh?
Bubbles
It's
and a whistle.
bubbles.
Or a bubble whistle.
You pour bubbles in the whistle and you blow the whistle.
Yay. Thank you, Santa.
Are you happy about that slightly?
Yeah?
Okay.